Hello everyone, welcome back to Explore Error. In this video, I'll show you how you can change the username on your Windows computer or laptop. This method works on Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8, and Windows 7. Let's begin. First, move your mouse to the search box and type Control Panel. When it shows up in the search results, click to open it. After the control panel opens, look for User Accounts. Click on User Accounts and then click it again to open your account details. Here, find the option that says Change Your Account Name and select it. Now, simply type the new username you want to use. Once you've entered the new name, click the Change Name button to save it. That's it. Your account name has been changed. Keep in mind that the new username may not show everywhere right away until you log out or restart your PC. I'll log out now to show you the change. Okay, I've signed back in, and as you can see, the username is now fully updated. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Explore Error for more simple and useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.